think you can see him out there. My light just went off, my security light, so I knew something was out there. Mr. Bunny Rabbit out there by the bird feeder, looking for the droppings. They drop seeds to birds. Yeah, he's looking for something to eat out there. There you can see him. Yeah, it comes through pretty good, considering. Hey, Mr. Bunny Wabbit. You're lucky I'm not in the mood for no wabbit. Silly little wabbit. Yeah, they've been, actually there's 2 of them that I've seen so far that come in at night. Yep. Well, see what happens here. Ooh, the wildlife. It's fun to watch. See how long he lasts. There's a little bit of snow out there he's got to get through to get them seeds to drop. I don't know. Alright, I'll keep an eye on him. Actually, forgot to put bird seed in the feeder today. I need to do that, but I'll do it tomorrow. Well, Mr. Bunny Wabbit. Alright. Alright, y'all. Peace and love. Stay warm. It's cold out there. It's like 12 degrees right now. Brr. Alright. See ya.